Should pop-up drink stands use recipe cards for boba drinks? Yes, pop-up drink stands should use recipe cards for boba drinks because they help ensure consistency, speed up service, and improve customer satisfaction. Recipe cards act like a clear guide for making boba drinks, showing exactly how much tea, milk, syrup, and toppings to use. This is important because boba drinks have many ingredients and small changes can make a big difference in taste. For example, too much sugar or too little tapioca pearls can ruin the drink. When workers follow a recipe card, every drink tastes just right, and the customers get what they expect. Recipe cards also help new employees learn quickly and reduce mistakes during busy times. One interesting fact is that some popular boba shops even update their recipes seasonally to keep flavors fresh, and recipe cards make it easy to switch to a new version without confusion. Using recipe cards saves time because staff don't have to guess or ask for instructions each time. This makes the whole operation smoother and customers happier because they get their drinks faster and just how they like them. A common mistake is thinking recipe cards limit creativity, but they actually provide a dependable base so you can experiment safely without losing quality. Another problem is not updating the recipe cards when ingredients change, which can mess up the taste. The tip here is to review and revise cards regularly. Sometimes stands skip recipe cards because it feels faster to just freestyle, but that often leads to inconsistent drinks that upset customers. The best advice is to train staff to trust the recipes first and then add their flair once they know the basics well. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out to you with estimates.